Ankle dorsiflexion and plantarflexion describe the upward and downward movement of the foot at the talocrural joint, ankle, where the tibia, main shin bone, meets the talus, top ankle bone. Dorsiflexion bends the foot so the top, dorsum, moves toward the shin. It is powered mainly by tibialis anterior, with help from extensor digitorum and hallucis longus, and fibularis tertius. When the knee is flexed, these dorsiflexors work more efficiently because the gastrocnemius is shortened. Plantarflexion points the foot downward, pushing the toes away from the shin. This action relies on the gastrocnemius, soleus, and plantaris, with secondary support from tibialis posterior, flexor digitorum,